video on a Battleaxe flash magazine for AK obviously. First of all, I've already poured a load of pellets into there. What we need to do is hold it upwards, flip the little bottom down, and as you can see there's a little wire pulled out. Obviously I need to do this whilst holding the magazine upright. We're also going to be testing how well it feeds on a high rate of fire gun. There we go, that should be about done. As you can see, pellets are fed to the top, and the amount of pellets that's actually there has gone down as well. Right, first of all, click it into the gun, plug in the gun battery. Probably should have done that beforehand. Okay. Just to as you can see, that clearly works. Okay, now I've just had to, it fed a little bit worse there, so I've just winded it again. Well, pulled the wire, and let's see what it does. Now you need to just there we go, and let's see what happens. And it stopped feeding. Yep. Right. Now the substantial amount of pellets that we fired. Now the guns are starting, doesn't want to fire on semi-auto. Alright. There we go. As you can see, the flash magazine has done exceedingly well. It fed a lot. As you can see with that continuous burst I did, it fired every shot until it just stopped, which is when you'd need to pull the wire again. For all of you that don't know, a flash magazine is essentially the upgraded, not upgraded, but kind of the more modern version of a high cap. It uses the same pretty much system, but instead of winding the wheel by hand, you simply pull the wire which winds it for you. As you can see, that magazine is actually pretty empty. You can't really see in there, but I can see about 5 pellets right at the bottom. I don't know how much it shakes, there's like nothing in there. You can put a mag pull on this, like that. It's a 556 one, but it'd be pointless because you need to flip that up. So they come in other colours, come in black, and I think that's actually it. And they do M4 ones, which I haven't tried because I don't really need them. We've got enough M4 magazines. I just wanted to try a flash magazine. I've heard good things, and the actual quality of the plastic is decent. It's not great. It's kind of a little bit textured. Not as textured as a this Cyma midcap, but it's a lot better feeling than the E&L midcaps, which kind of feel a bit shitty, to be perfectly honest. There's not much moving in the plastic. It seems pretty sturdy. It's mostly made out of plastic, to be honest. Yeah, it's pretty nice. A little bit shiny. And you can see the big seam at the back, but in the front, but it's, you know, it's not as, in a way, well finished as something like this Cyma magazine. It's got a bit of better texturing, but it's